I have studied now philosophy, law, medicine, and what is worst, theology, with all due diligence. And here I stand, I'm a poor fool, no wiser than before. Thus begins Goethe's Faust, the tragedy, part 1. And this Sunday, April the 13th, we will begin reading Goethe's Faust together at my new course, to which I hold the Gothic key. So, if you follow the link in the description down here somewhere, that takes you to an enrollment page where you can join the course either in a self-study mode, so you can take the course at your own leisure. You always get indefinite access or lifetime access, or if you'd like to be there in the flesh, more or less, in the virtual flesh, in an online seminar group led by me, then you take the philosophical fellowship tier, which gives you access to 9 seminars. And at the final seminar, you will get to present your own talk. Goethe's Faust is, I think, one, if not the most important document, text of modernity that tries to capture it in all its glory and madness and striving, and tries to capture who the Faustian man is, what the Faustian spirit is, what the two souls are that are beating in the chest of Faustian man. What are these two souls? I think they are Christianity or Christendom and pagandom. I think they are, as what Nietzsche says, Übermensch is Caesar with the soul of Christ, but they're also antiquity and modernity that Faust tries to bridge. They are also his desire for earthly delights, and his desire, of course, also for striving to the absolute, to become one with the ether, to become one with abstract form. This is why he wants to kill himself in the beginning of the tragedy. He doesn't want to kill himself because he's desperate, really. He wants to end his life, to transform his being, to undergo a metamorphosis, to change his physical form so that he can be one with what is there up there, what he says, he's going to breach open a neue Bahn, a new course or a new trajectory, to become one with the forms that he finds in the ether. And what pulls him back to the earth, though, is a choir of angels that remind him of the promise of salvation and the consolation. So at least here, even though he is post-Christian, he comes back through a childhood memory and the tears that begin to well forth from his eyes. He comes back, if only for a moment, to the old Christian world, a world that he wants to leave behind, but that he also perhaps cannot entirely yet leave behind, at least not in Faust Part 1. So again, I implore you to join the course. We are beginning, if you want to take the live seminars led by me. We've got about 20 people enrolled already. So that starts this Sunday, April the 13th, 2025 at 6:30 p.m. UK time. That's 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you'd like to take additional private tutorials with me, then you choose the apprentice tier, which is the highest tier that you'd find on the enrollment page. And if you really don't have time for, let's say, at least 4 of the live seminars, then please just join the first tier, the self-study option or tier or study path. To embark on this journey together with me, I will make many cross references to other texts from Goethe, and also especially to his philosophical understanding. For example, how Goethe understands reason, Vernunft, his philosophy of becoming over being, of movement and flux over stasis and sclerosis, and of course also to his other poetic works and his understanding of the cosmos. Some of his novels, such as The Elective Affinities, will be mentioned, and also, of course, the Werther must not be missed. So again, thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to meeting you this Sunday when we unlock the text together.